Hi student, again we solve one multiple choice questions on vector algebra, and problem is if v bar is equals to 2 1 minus 1, w bar is equals to 103 and u bar are unit vectors, greatest value of box product of u bar v bar w bar is option A minus 1, option B root 10 plus root 6, option C root 59, option D root 60. That is, here we find the greatest value of box product u bar, v bar and w bar. So we write here the box product in terms of dot and cross first. Solution. Here box product of u bar, v bar, w bar is equals to, we write this box product in terms of dot and cross. So u bar dot v bar cross w bar. Then we find here v bar cross w bar. That is, we know that the process for finding out the cross product. So v bar cross w bar is equals to determinant I j k 2 1 minus 1 v bar, that is 2 2 1 2 1 minus 1 minus 1. Next we write here 103 103. Then here v bar cross w bar is equals to, we evaluate this determinant I in bracket 1 into 3 3, 0 into minus 1, so right here minus 0 minus j 2 into 3, that is 6, 1 into minus 1, so right here plus 1 plus k in bracket here 2 into 0 0, 1 into 1 minus 1 here. Next we write here is equals to 3i 6 plus 1 minus 7j minus k. Therefore here this is v bar cross w bar. Therefore box product of u bar, v bar, w bar is equals to u bar dot v bar cross w bar, and v bar cross w bar is 3i minus 7j minus k. Then we solve this dot product is equals to, here magnitude of u bar into magnitude of 3i minus 7j minus k into cos of angle between them, say cos theta, is equals to, u bar is the unit vector. It is given that here u bar is the unit vector. This is given, u bar are unit vector. Therefore magnitude of u bar is equals to 1. So right here 1. Then we find here magnitude of 3i minus 7j minus k under root 3 square, that is 9, say minus 7 square 49 plus 1 into cos theta is equals to, here 49 plus 1 50, root 59 into cos theta. This is the value of u bar, box product of u bar, v bar, w bar. For greatest value of u bar, v bar, w bar, cos theta is equals to 1. Cos theta is equals to 1. If the value of cos theta is occurred 1, then the greatest value of u bar, v bar, w bar is equals to root 59. Therefore, the greatest value of u bar, v bar, w bar is equals to root 59. Therefore, here root 59 is the correct option. This is the correct option. C is correct option. So in this way, we solve one simple multiple choice questions on vector algebra. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, जेईच्या परीक्षेमध्ये म्हणा, बोर्डाच्या पेपरमध्ये म्हणा, किंवा तुम्हाला MST सीट द्यायची असेल तसे मल्टिपल चॉईस क्वेश्चन्स येत असतात. माझं चॅनल आहे मॅथमॅटिक्स बाय प्रोफेसर प्रकाश वासनकर. तुम्हाला अशा प्रकारचे जर नवनवीन व्हिडिओ बघायचे असतील जेईसाठी किंवा MST CETसाठी, तर या व्हिडिओला लाईक करा आणि तुम्ही काय करा, माझ्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. म्हणजे अशा प्रकारचे आपण जे नवीन व्हिडिओ बनवतो त्याचं नोटिफिकेशन्स तुम्हाला मिळून जाईल. ओके.